Okay.
Hi. We're here to show you the alien rocket. And it's gonna be flying today. It also can use a booster pack. It can use a booster pack, which can make it go up to 3,000 feet. Or a little bit more.
I don't think it'll go that high, Michael. I think you could maybe do 1,500 with a booster pack. All right, you guys want to get ready for your launch?
How's the wind?
About the same as they were.
Flip the switch yet? Okay then, count down from 10, 9, 8.
Wait, hold on. You guys gotta look to make sure there's no airplanes in the sky. Make sure the sky is clear.
Clear.
Okay. Do your countdown. Countdown.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Touchdown. We're pretty close now.